What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Good morning, good morning. Well, good morning where I am. This is I am doing a personal box break for my friend Kenny in Belgium of this Optic Donruss that I have here, 1819. Messaged me right after I did that post and wanted to buy the box. So I said, why not? Let's do some rips in the morning. Let me know when you're there, Kenny. Hey, Kenny, there you are. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Where is it? Alright, Kenny, you ready? Let's rip some fire, man. Let's hit some Doncic for you, man. I've been pulling a lot of them lately. Let's see if I can pull some more. Alright, brother, just give me 1 second here. Put something here, adjust something before. Alright, Kenny. Alright, guys, let's do this. My name is Steven Kanjar, from Balkan Basketball Breaks. Today I would be breaking Donruss Optic Fast Break 1819. 18 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. This is a personal. Is there a lot of delay? I don't know, man. I don't know what to say. I hope it's. Just give me 1 second. Hey, Mark, how's it going? Yeah, this is a personal for Kenny, guys, so good luck, man. Let's do this. Kenny. Let's see, man. Good morning to me and good afternoon to you, I guess. All right. What is this? 02310. Huh. I can get more of these boxes as of now, guys. Just so everyone knows. Pay your internet. I do pay my internet, guys. It's fine on my end, just so everyone knows. Alright, Kenny, good luck. Pack number 1, my friend. This is all for you. Got a Pau Gasol base. Ooh, nice. Colin Sexton, Optic, rated rookie. Nice. Kevin Durant. What is this? Heart Optic insert. And then we got a Damian Lillard and a Dennis Smith Jr. All right, let me put these in sleeves. I'll put these in sleeves. You know what? I'll put these into sleeves right now for you. Get these out of the way. Hope everyone's having a great day. Kenny bought this, Eric. Kenny bought it. He messaged me right this morning, man. I'm going to be getting more of this, guys, so don't worry. Someone asked how much per box. Paul, we can talk off air if you like. I know you live in Canada, so it's a little bit different for the shipping and stuff like that. Okay. Got Kevin Love. DeAnthony Middleton. Sorry, guys, you might hear my kids upstairs. My wife's trying to calm them down. Optic rated. Ooh, nice. All-Stars for Russell Westbrook. Aaron Gordon. And an Al Horford base. Nice. You know what? I'm going to separate the rookies and the inserts here. I'll do a recap after. You got a US? Okay. Alright, Paul. Nice. Those are always good to have. I'm in Canada. I think. Aren't you in Canada, Paul? I thought you were in Canada, man. Good luck, Kenny. Pack number 3, man. Spencer Whitty. Oh, we got a fast break coming up. Good luck. Okay. A Diallo. Good luck on the fast break. Ooh, a Damari Carroll. Then a Zach Levine and a Terrence Prince. This is just a Prism. Yeah, it's just a Prism. Put on some different music for us now. Just give me 1 second. There we go. Oh, awesome. Okay, I got you. Okay. I get you. Cool, Paul. Yeah, we can talk off air, I guess you can call it. These are not really hits, but it's fast break. Put that there. Good luck, Paul. Good luck, Kenny. Next one. Good luck. Got a Luke Kennard. Kyrie Thomas. Rated rookie. And DeAndre Ayton. Nice. The rookies. Not bad. Alonzo Ball and then Klay Thompson. You collect DeAndre. You collect Ayton too. Those are your hit, Kenny. Nice. Not bad. Alright, cool, Paul. Yeah, we'll chat after, man. No problem. Not a problem. Guys, tonight I'll be coming on doing hoops. I got a hobby box here of NBA hoops. It's gonna be $20 a pack if anyone's interested. 1920 hoops, 2 autos per box. Here we go. Next one. There's Damari Carroll. Okay, Mikal Bridges. Good luck. Ooh, nice. Retro Stars, John Stockton. And then a Derek Favors. And a Dirk Nowitzki base. Guys, sometimes the comments I'm a little bit behind on the comments, guys. So hopefully it's I'll catch up with them as I go. Good luck. Tristan Thompson. Oh, we got a fast break coming up here. Oh, okay. I thought it was like a gold or something. Aaron Holiday, rated rookie. Good luck on the fast break. Oh, a Joe Ingles for the Utah Jazz. Not bad. And a Markelle Fultz and an Eric Gordon. Just a prism. Eyes on me. Yeah, your PC, that's right. Alright, good luck, Reggie Jackson. Ooh, Jared Vanderbilt. And the Retro Stars, Paul Pierce. Sorry, DeAndre Jordan and a Kemba Walker. Sorry about that, Kenny. Sure showed that. Alright. I'm not gonna lie, I lost track of five, but I'm pretty sure we still got a long way. We still got a long way to go here, my friend. When I was drinking coffee right now or something. Oh, I think we got a hit coming up here, Kenny. Good luck. Alright, we got a Kawhi Leonard. Alright, a Javon Carter Grizzly. Good luck. Ooh, nice. A Brandon Ingram. Fast break. This is also numbered, and you got an NS. Sorry, I'll show that after. This is number. Ooh, nice. 57 of 85, my friend. 57 of 85. And we got an Enes Kanter and an Eric Bledsoe base. Nice hit, a Brandon Ingram with the Lakers uniform there. Nice hit, Kenny. Let's go next pack. Let's pull some more fire for you, brother. Let's pull some more fire. If anyone's ever interested in personals, I can just PM me on the side. I can tell you guys what I can get and then on the price for basketball especially. We can work something out for sure. All right. Good luck, Kenny. Next one. Oh, you got a fast break of something coming up. Mari Spellman. Okay, a Dennis Johnson Retro Stars fast break. That's a nice looking card. Jaylen Brown and Avery Bradley base. You rock the party that rocks the party. Open up another pack here. Let me see. Next one, Kenny, good luck. Got a Derrick Rose. Sorry, make sure everything's clear for you. Oh, there you go. Derrick Rose. Oh, we got another fast break coming up. Alani Walker. There you go. Next. Ooh. A Spencer Dinwiddie fast break for the New Jersey Nets. Zach Randolph. And a Michael Gilchrist. Michael Kidd Gilchrist. Not bad, not bad. Getting better. Not the guys you want to see, but it's getting better. What am I doing? Just a prism. Let's do this, man. Let's see some of the big boys. Where are they? Oh, we got another fast break coming up. Miles Turner. Ooh. Chemzi Mitu. I've honestly never heard of this guy. Good luck on the fast break. Harrison Barnes for the Mavericks. Not the right Maverick we wanted. And a DeMar DeRozan and a Gary Harris base. Oh, I see 9 people in here watching. What's up, guys? What's up, everyone? Early morning break. Good luck, Danny Green. Oh, we got another hit coming up. There's always a hit in these. Okay, a Miles Bridges. There you go. That's not bad. Optic rated rookie. Good luck. And what's in behind here? Oh, nice. A Chris Paul fast break heart. There you go. That's a nice one. And a Nikola Mirotic and a Darren Fox. Come on. Where are the big boys? There's all the numbers. There's more numbers than this in here. You get a lot more numbers. I think you like have 4 or 5 numbers in this. Numbered cards per box or something like that. Could be wrong, but let's see. Let's try this way this time. Good luck, Kenny, man. We got 6 more. This is 6 more left. 5 more left after this one. Good luck. Oh, here comes a colored. Here we go. Carmelo Anthony. Ooh, a Kevin Knox. Good luck on the fast break. Oh, it's a rated rookie, but not the one we wanted. Jerome Robinson for the Clippers. And then we got a DJ Augustine and a Tim Hardaway Jr. base. Oh, wow. This is numbered, my friend. Hold on, let me make sure I get that clear for you. It's 4 of 50. Wow. Can you imagine if that was somebody else? Can you imagine that was somebody else? Oh, wow. Nice hit, though, anyways. Nice hit. Put that up there with that, like that. Not the guy we wanted to see, that's for sure. Good luck, my friend. Trevor Ariza. Oh, Alonzo. Hold on, we got 2 hits here. I hope you didn't see it, but I'm gonna show you the first one. I'm just gonna put it down here, which was the auto. Rated rookie, not the guy we wanted. Alonzo Terrier. It's a nice hit though. 18 of 20 for the Knicks. That's a huge hit, man. That's a low numbered card. Wow, look at that. I just hit 2 nice numbered cards, but not the guys we wanted. There's your auto there. Oh, I'm still going to get to the next one. Yeah. Yeah, we would all like it to be somebody else. Hold on. Just going to put this up here. I still got one more hit in the same box, brother. In the same pack. And there you go. It's a Dylan Brooks for the Memphis Grizzlies. And then we got a Matthew Dellavedova and a Ricky Rubio. This is numbered. This Dylan Brooks is numbered. Shoot. Sorry, 1 second, guys. It's 11 of 85. 11 of 85. Yeah, definitely not the guys we wanted, that's for sure. Oh, up here a little bit. Alright, let's do this. 4 more to go. That would have been nice if it was a try, that's 100% sure. These are fire. Like, I'm not gonna lie, they're not the greatest players, but the cards are fire. Like, to have those numbered cards like that for rated rookies, those are crazy. Here we go. Rudy Gay. Come on, let's hit a Doncic at least optic for Kenny, man. A Wendell Carter Jr. for the Bulls. Good luck on the fast break. Oh, a Diallo fast break. Come on. Rudy got his rated rookie earlier. Base rated rookie. And then, sorry, we got a James Johnson and a Ryan Anderson base. Come on. This is just a base person. Regular fast break. Actually, we'll just save that for the numbers, I think, up top there. Alright. Third last pack, Kenny. Good luck, man. Come on, at least a Doncic optic to come out or something now. Or numbered, or fast break. Anything can still happen, man. Let's fix this here. I think the auto should be in the middle. Like that. Good luck. Oh. Made a rookie right away. We got a Kiata. And we got a Jimmy Butler. Good luck. Oh, wow! A Marvin Bagley. This is a nice box. And then a CJ McCollum and a Tobias Harris. This is numbered. Look at this. Sorry, why is it this? 60 of 95. 60 of 95 Marvin Bagley. Wow, look at these rated rookies coming out. Holy cow, Kenny. Good box, man. Holy cow. What a box. What a box. Yeah. This is a nice box so far, Kenny. Like, I know, like I said, it's not the players, but the numbers, like the numbered cards and the prism. Look, you got 3 rated rookie prisms, man. That's unheard of in a box, in my opinion, from what I remember. Okay, I think I screwed up here by putting these ones here. Yeah, I gotta go through that after. Kind of messed up a little bit. Alright, we got 2 more packs, man. Come on now. All we need is a Doncic optic, and you'll be happy for sure. Let's do this, man. Come on. Oh! First optic right away. Look at that. Jerome Robinson. Jermichael Green. Good luck on the fast break. Ooh, a Jeremy Lin fast break. And then a Willie Cauley-Stein and a Nikola Vucevic base. 1 more pack, Kenny. Keep my peace. Next time I do this, I'll make sure to do the auto last, guys. My bad, I should have done it last. Last pack, Kenny. Good luck, my friend. Last Last one. Let's do this, man. All right, we got a D'Angelo Russell. What do we got behind here? Oh, we got, okay. Good luck. Oh, look at this. Another Marvin Bagley Optic rated base rookie this time. There you go. Good luck. I want some behind here. Oh, wow. Nice. Takeoff. Donovan Mitchell. Not bad. And then a Giannis. And the Jonas Valanciunas. That is it, my friend Kenny. That is it. I'm going to go over the hits now quickly. Just give me a second here, my friend. Organize it myself. Not a bad box, man. That's for sure. It was a very decent box, in my opinion. Like I said, you weren't getting the big players, but you got a lot of good numbered rookies. Auto, Alonzo Terrier. Low numbered auto. Like, that's a crazy box, man. Alright, do you want me to just go over the hits for you, Kenny? You already saw I'll just go over these little hits here for you that I have in the sleeves, the fast breaks for you and stuff. There we go. Thanks, Kenny. Alright, we got a Jeremy Lin. Sorry. Let's move these over here for a second. Alright. Diallo. Fast break. Rated rookie. Chris Paul. Harrison Barnes. Spencer Dinwiddie. Vincent Johnson. Joe Ingles. DeAndre Ayton. I forgot about this one too. Maybe you did too. And we got a Damari Carroll. Let's go to the board, man. Gotta make this official. So this was the first one. We got a Brandon Ingram. $57 of 85. Dylan Brooks. This is 11 of 85. Okay, we'll do this one. Jerome Robinson. With that 4 of 50. Yeah, 4 of 50. Like, he's the better rookie, but that's the actual hit, is that auto there, man. Marvin Bagley. 60 of 95. And then this is the hit of the box. Alonzo Terrier. Is that pink? Yeah. 18 of 20. Rated rookie auto. Wow, what a pull, man. This is a nice card, Kenny. Congrats, man. Not a big fan, but it's a nice looking card when you see it in person. Alright, Kenny, thank you very much. And thank you very much for everyone for joining Balkan Basketball Breaks. Again, my name is Stephen Kanjar. And if you guys want personals of certain boxes, let me know where you guys are interested. I can do my best to help you out and see what I can get. When it comes to this year's product, right now I can only get NBA hoops, hobby boxes, and Contenders Fat Packs, if anyone's interested. That's just for this year. You're welcome, Kenny. No problem, man. No problem. Happy you're happy. That's what I'm here for. Okay, guys. Thank you very much again for joining Balkan Basketball Breaks. Let's build that select team wall. I have it right here. Let's fill that up. We got 8 spots left in the mini. Number 3, that will fill the break. I can break that tonight. And tonight I will be live for NBA Hoops Fat Packs. Not Fat Packs, sir. NBA Hoops 1920 Hobby Box. $20 a pack. Alright guys, thank you very much. And hope you guys stay safe and have a great day. Cheers.